In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can end snooze on people, pages, and groups that you had snoozed on Facebook. So if you had snoozed any page or any group or person, it is simple to end the snooze. Just go ahead and tap on your profile icon on top here. Then this will open your menu. Under your menu, you'll see the settings icon. Now go ahead and tap on it. From this, scroll down until you see the option called Preferences, and under it, look for the option called Content Preferences. Tap on it, and now you'll be able to see snooze option here. When you go ahead and tap on snooze, this will open a list of all the people, pages, and groups that you snoozed, and you can even see the time left. To end it, just go ahead and tap on end, and as you can see, each time you tap on end, it will go ahead and end the snooze, and now they are free. So that's how you end snooze in Facebook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.